Okay, this is a tutorial for Wednesday, February 4th, problem 8. If you notice, it's written on the board, and we're still using the method of elimination to solve. So we know that in using elimination, we have to make one of the variables 0. In other words, it has to zero out. It has to be the same number, but if you add it together, it has to be two different signs, so to zero it out. So I'm going to change my color, okay, and I'm going to use the y. I want to get rid of the y. So I'm multiplying everything by -1. So therefore, that's changing all of these signs to -5x. Now it's plus 7y, and now this is plus 34. Okay, so I'll change that color back again. So you see all the signs have been changed because I multiplied by -1. So now I can add the columns. So this will give us -1x. That canceled, of course. It's not there anymore. Equals. Now I'm going to subtract or add opposite numbers. So this is a plus and minus. So this would be a 4. Sorry. 4, positive 4. Because you have positive 34 plus negative 30 is a positive 4. Now that's -1x, but you don't want a negative x, so you're going to multiply everything by a -1 again, because you want a positive x. It changes the sign, so that means x is equal to -4. Now, that's our first step. Now we need to find out what y is. So if we know x is -4, I'm just going to put it in the first equation. It doesn't really matter which one. So let me just plug it in. So I have 4 times -4. That'll give you a -16. I'm just going to multiply without write it all out, because I think you can follow it. So minus 7y is equal to -30. Now I'm going to go plus 16 on both sides to get rid of that, leaving -7y equals, we borrowed 1 here, that's a 4, and that's a 2, that'll give you 14, right? And 10, yep, so that's 14. So now I'll divide by -7, divide by -7, let's see there. And so now we know that y is equal to -2. Okay, so now you know that looks really messy, doesn't it? X is equal to -4, and y is equal to -2. Now that simply means that if you were to graph or solve this, this is the point of intersection. This is where it intersects at -4, -2. If you want to check your work with a calculator, just plug in -4 for x in both problems and plug in -2 for y in both problems, and you should get these answers.